Welcome back to Maya Explains Everything. This is the Maya and Alex podcast.
Hey everyone, I am Alex, and this is Maya.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
Maya, we have talked about restaurants, hotels, trains.
All travel topics. But today, something different.
Today we talk about jobs and work.
Because the first question people always ask you is,
What do you do? That is the question. What do you do?
what do you do means, what is your job?
Not, what are you doing right now? No, no. What is your work?
Today, you learn how to answer and how to talk about your job.
Simple words, real phrases. Ready? Let us start.
Okay, someone asks, what do you do? How do you answer?
The easiest way, I am a plus your job.
I am a teacher. I am a nurse. I am a driver.
I am a cook. I am a student. I am an engineer.
Small tip, I am an engineer. Because engineer starts with a vowel sound.
A teacher, an engineer, a nurse, an artist.
Another way to answer, I work in plus the field.
I work in healthcare. I work in construction. I work in IT.
Or I work at plus the place.
I work at a hospital. I work at a school. I work at a restaurant.
I am a nurse. I work in healthcare. I work at a hospital. All correct.
And if you do not have a job right now,
You can say, I am between jobs. Or, I am looking for work.
I am looking for work. Honest and positive.
Or maybe you study. Then, I am a student. I study English.
Perfect. Now, let us learn some work words.
Word one, the office. The place where many people work.
I go to the office every day. Or, I work from home.
Work from home, very common now. Also called remote work.
Word two, the boss. The person who leads, your manager.
My boss is very nice. I have a meeting with my boss.
Word three, a colleague. A person who works with you.
Listen carefully. Colleague. Co-league. Strange word, right?
My colleagues are friendly. I have lunch with my colleague.
Word four, a meeting. When people talk together about work.
I have a meeting at 10. The meeting is long, too long.
Ha, every meeting is too long. Word five, the salary.
The salary is the money you get for your work.
A good salary. A monthly salary. Everyone likes salary day.
And two more, full-time and part-time.
Full-time is a complete week, usually 40 hours.
Part-time is less, maybe 20 hours, maybe 3 days.
I work full-time. She works part-time. Easy.
Now, talking about your day, what do you say?
I start work at 9. I finish work at 5.
9 to 5. There's even a song about that.
I have a break at 12. A break is when you stop and rest.
Lunch break, the best part of the day.
And if there is a lot of work, you say, I am busy.
I'm very busy this week. We are busy at work.
Or even stronger, I am swamped. That means super busy.
Swamped. Ha, I love that word. I am swamped.
Okay, time to practice. A little dialogue. We meet at a party.
Two strangers. Small talk about work. Go.
Hi, nice to meet you. I am Maya.
Nice to meet you too. I am Alex. So, what do you do?
I am a nurse. I work at the city hospital. And you?
I work in IT. I am a programmer.
Oh, nice. Do you work at an office?
3 days at the office, 2 days from home.
That sounds perfect. Do you like your job?
I love it. But this week, I am swamped. Big project.
Ha, I understand. We are very busy at the hospital, too.
Well, good luck this week.
Thank you. You too.
And scene, did you hear it? What do you do? And boom, a conversation.
That one question opens every conversation. At parties, everywhere.
Let us repeat the most important words from today.
What do you do? The question about work.
I am a teacher. I work in healthcare. I work at a hospital.
The office, the boss, a colleague, a meeting, the salary.
Full-time, part-time, work from home.
I start at 9. I finish at 5. A break.
Busy and swamped. Super busy.
And now, it is time for our word of the day.
The word of the day is colleague.
Colleague. A person who works with you.
Not your boss, not your friend, your colleague. Well, a colleague can be a friend.
Ha! True. My colleagues are great. I have coffee with a colleague.
Be careful with the spelling. Colleague. Crazy word.
Colleague. Say it with us. Colleague.
Perfect. Now you can talk about work like a pro.
Okay, everyone. That is the end of episode 13.
Today we talked about jobs and work. And the big question, what do you do?
And our word of the day was colleague.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments. What do you do? What is your job?
Write it in English. We read everything.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.